Oh, hi. Come on in. It's good to see you. So one of the biggest challenges that a lot of agency owners have is being able to scale without being stuck in their business, right? Most of you started an agency because you wanted to sell, you wanted to offer a solution to your clients or your prospects, not build workflows and build funnels, websites, fix AI issues and things like that. But because we're so limited on manpower, right? It's usually just us or maybe another team member. We often find ourselves stuck in that rut, in that everlasting cycle of constantly fixing workflows, building AIs, building funnels and things of that nature. Let's go take a walk. The biggest challenge that I notice that a lot of agency owners have is number one, being able to afford a team while being able to scale, make money at the same time, right? You have one client, 2 clients, 10 clients, you're charging $100, $200, $300 a month. There's not a lot of room for profit. So when you go and you have to hire a team to do those things, it eats up all that profit, therefore making it harder for you to pay your expenses. So we're about to change all of that. For the first time ever, a white label support company is going to also become your dedicated VAs with support services. We're calling it Premium Unlimited Support, just like it sounds. It's 100% done for you. It's white glove. We're going to onboard all of your clients. We're going to offer support to them. When they buzz into support, we're going to build workflows for them. No longer will they be coached on how to build a workflow themselves. We're actually going to take it over and build it for them. Here, let me show you. As an agency owner, when we were growing, one of the biggest challenges we had is that often our clients, we were selling them a done-for-you solution, right? Not a do-it-yourself solution. So the client expects done for you, we're selling done for you, but then when they go into support, support's like, hey, go here, click this, add a trigger, add an event, here's how you fix the workflow, and the client is then expected to go build it on their own. Same thing with a funnel. So typically what happens is when you hire a white label support company is you have to have a support company, but then you also need to have VAs on top of that. They're gonna build your workflows and build your funnels and so forth because you've been selling done for you solutions. That's all about the change. So when it comes to Premium Unlimited Support, basically when your client comes in to chat and they have a challenge with a funnel, or they want to build a funnel, they want to build a workflow, they want to build an email sequence, our team is going to take complete control. They're going to figure out exactly what your client is trying to accomplish, what your client is trying to build. They're going to take it over, create a support ticket, and build it for them. Now, there are some caveats, okay? We're not going to write content, okay? If your client is willing to provide the content, we'll paste it into an email, but we're not going to actually write the content. So they'll build the workflow, they'll build the email templates, but they're not going to write the content. If your client has the content, we will copy the content into the email template for them so that they're off into the races. Here, there's more. Follow me. Now, when it comes to onboarding, oftentimes we're selling to clients that are real estate agents or not tech savvy, or they just don't normally log in and build things out in a software. So we're going to do it for them. Now what's going to happen is they're going to fill out a form. Right? Our team, or your dedicated onboarding specialist, is going to go into your sub account for that client, build out the sub account, complete all the business profile information, load any snapshots, complete any custom values, make sure the sub account is completely ready to go, submit it for A2P. If we need to get verification from your client, we'll send a verification link to your client. When the A2P qualification comes back, then essentially what we're going to do is get your client on a training call, and then we're going to train them for 3 additional hours, 3 separate sessions over the course of the next 3 weeks to show them how to use what they bought from you. So this new program, Premium Unlimited Support, is a game changer, right? Never before have you been able to have a complete done-for-you solution for both support, for onboarding. Your clients get funnels, they get websites. We're gonna build out AIs. We're gonna basically build out anything and everything that they need except for writing the content, okay? So if you have any questions, click the link below, above, wherever it is on the screen, find it, click it. We'll talk to you on the inside.